Hello, this is Johnny B. Bad, 6661, John F. K. Page again. A little bit more about my motorcycle accident. Do not try and ride a motorcycle holding two jobs. Or if you do do it, make sure it's not interfering with your motorcycle riding. And that's about it. A little bit more on my motorcycle injury. I don't know if you can see the scar there. Have a steel plate in this wrist. I don't know if you can see the scar here. That scar right there. I had a steel plate in that wrist, but they had to remove it because it was getting ready to cut the tendon in my thumb or somewhere in my hand, and I would have been in a real pain, world of hurt. This thumb is still a little tingly. Still got to go to get some nerve check, see if there's any nerve damage in the hand or in the shoulder or whatever. And this shoulder still has a torn rotator cuff in it. I could go get it and repaired, but it'd take another 6 weeks or 6 months for this to be healed. I can maneuver it or work it back to 100% again, at least 80%. And this shoulder right here, you can see the scar right there. I have a complete shoulder replacement here. It's titanium. Titanium here, titanium there. It was titanium here. Anyway, no breakfast. My stomach is digesting itself for nutrition. Only get 1 meal a day, but anyway, that's besides the point. Point is, do not try to ride your motorcycle holding two jobs unless they're compatible and you're within a short distance. Mine is like mass. It took 30 minutes to get to one, took 30 minutes to get home, and took 30 minutes to get there. Sometimes 45 minutes, depending on the traffic. And rush hour traffic, expand that time a little bit more too. And the amount of time and the time I worked, had to work. Get up early in the morning and work almost to 12 midnight at night. No, that's sketchy. Don't do that. This is like only 1 day a week on the other job, and the other job is full time. Maybe you can handle it that way. But anyway, that's about it.